Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we're going to look at the Basenor Rear Seat Back covers for your Tesla Model Y. So currently I have these rubberized ones installed, and we're going to look at these Basenor ones. This has a leather material on the top, and then on the bottom you have your Velcro material. So they do come in 3 pieces. You have your left side, the middle, and then the right side. And then the cutouts are already there, so you can see here. And again, this one looks like it has the Velcro throughout the whole back, as opposed to the rubber one I have. It's only around the borders, and it is a little bit thinner, but you have that leather surface on the top here. So if you're looking for more of a simpler look rather than that rugged rubber look and still have the protection, I guess these are another option. Okay, so I'll go ahead and install them, and let's see how they fit. All right, so now I'm removing my existing one that I have here. As mentioned, here's the Velcro. It's along the border and then just down the middle. So installing the left and the right side, just look for this curved side. This is for the left side, and then the right side will have that notch as well. So installing it is simple. Just line up the cutout with the hole on the seat, and then you have this flap here. Just put it below that flap, and just want to make sure everything is attached. And again, it's attached because the whole back is pretty much a Velcro. All right, I have the middle section installed here. It's sized very well, fits good, and lined it up with the cutouts. And I'll do the final piece on the other side. All right, I have the final piece installed. Everything looks secure and it fits well. All right, let's see how the seats move up, if there's any issues. All right, so this is how it looks with the seats up. Again, it looks like a good fit overall, and it adds a different look to it compared to the all rubber version that I had. I kind of like this look. And then I'll lower the seats here. So no issues at all with it lowering. And that's how it looks when it's lowered. All right, so that will do it. This is a look at the Basenor seat back covers for your Tesla Model Y. This will fit 2020 all the way through 2023 versions. I've left the link in the description box below if you want to check it out.
If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care, everyone.